Hey friends, if you wish to remove the weather widget in Windows 11, then please watch this video. The widgets will display weather by default. That is just something that it always does. If you wish to remove it, click on widgets. I mean, even if you haven't clicked on it, it will show the weather. So click on widgets, find the weather widget, click on the three dots associated with it, and then you can remove this widget by clicking on hide this widget. Okay, but this will not remove the widget from the preview here. So to remove that, all you can do is remove widgets altogether. So right click on the taskbar, select taskbar settings, and then you can turn off widgets from the switch. So one may ask, what if I want to remove the weather widget but not all the widgets? I mean, you can change the widget option, the main widget option, but honestly, it keeps on reverting in my case. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.